Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 3D Printer with ANYCUBIC ACE Pro enables printing in up to 4 colors. Create stunning designs with endless possibilities that you can only imagine, giving you the freedom to create personalized designs. ANYCUBIC ACE Pro features a sealed storage design, integrates key features that include nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, drying and RFID sync function, ensuring an efficient, convenient, successful printing experience. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 3D printer features a high print speed of up to 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, which is 12 times faster than regular FDM 3D printers. Printing with ANYCUBIC's high-speed filament delivers superior print results. Built with accelerometer G sensors, ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo intelligently detects vibration frequencies and adjusts motion control, preventing ringing issues, ensuring smooth and high-quality prints. Easy to operate and assemble, Kobra 3 3D printer is great combo of power and convenience. With unparalleled features like pre-installed, auto-leveling, dynamic structure and more, it lets you dive into the world of 3D printing with ease. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max 3D printer comes with a large build volume of 19.7 by 16.5 x 16.5 in. /500 by 420 by 420 mm, HWD, capable of printing models with a volume of around 88 liters in one go. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second. Full-size printing of the same model, compared to similar products on the market with a printing speed of 50 mm per second, printing time is shortened by 77 hours 42 minutes. Equipped with a high-performance Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, it provides strong computing power for faster calculations, execution of commands motor control, resulting in 10 times faster printing. By using direct extruder and a dual-motor dual Z-axis motion structure that have been perfectly optimized for the extrusion and cooling systems, it efficiently and accurately delivers materials, allowing for quick melting and cooling. This leads to smooth operation and fewer visible layer lines. By designing a unique module, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. Number 3. ZONESTAR Upgrade 4 3D Printer. Support mixing color and multicolor printing. Built-in automatic color mixing feature, one button to convert single-color 3D model to multicolor 3D prints. Supports to paint color on 3D model, to convert one-color 3D model to multicolor model for printing. Automatically resume printing after power failure. Automatic shutdown after printing. Bed auto-leveling. 70% pre-assembled, fast installation. Dual Z-axis drive and dual Z end stops. Aluminum profile frame and full metal structural parts. Open source firmware. Multi-languages aperture menu. Number 4. Creality XZ 3D Printer. There is a built-in sensor on the right side of the base, which can be recognized with just one swipe using official RFID consumables. The types, colors, weights, and other information of consumables do not need to be manually entered. Independent dual Z screw, adjust the X-axis to be completely parallel to the hotbed. The sensitive pressure sensor inside the tool head assists in precise leveling compensation. The dynamic balance fan reduces wind noise, and the dual-axis and U-shaped wheel silk slide reduce motion noise, achieving an ultra-low noise of 48 dB. Highly pre-installed, foldable screen, providing intuitive guidance program when turned on, high-definition camera remote monitoring, time-lapse photography, equipped with lens cover to protect privacy. The frame and base are integrated with die-cast aluminum alloy parts, and the X-axis adopts linear guide rails with solid and high rigidity materials. The body is stable with low vibration and excellent printing quality. Wear-resistant all-metal gears, magnetic rebound cutters, and non-clogging hardened steel quick-release nozzles, reducing maintenance difficulty and frequency. Y-axis servo motor, high positioning accuracy, fast dynamic response, amazing speed performance, maximum printing speed of 500 mm per second, maximum acceleration of 12,000 mm per second. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. Ender 3v3 3D Printer can print at up to 600 mm per second speed with 2000 mm per square second acceleration, 12 times faster than most of printers on the market. It prints faster and better with Creality Hyper PLA filaments. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep printing performance at the same time. The X and Z axis of Ender 3v3 are rigged together, allowing two high-torque motors to work in unison for quick response in the blink of an eye. It can reach the speed from 0 to 600 mm per second acceleration within 0.03 seconds. Its weight is only 30% of lighter motion components. The XZ timing belts of Ender 3v3 are tensioned automatically. Belt slips or jams now become a thing of the past. No worry about the jams or slips. The Z-axis can position more accurately than ever. It is less than 15 micrometer. It means minimal Z-banding in your 3D prints. The direct drive extruder of Ender 3v3 is enhanced by a bolster spring and a ball plunger. It grips on filament tightly without slackening off. It fulfilled the 1000 hours clog-free extrusion. 60W hot end ceramic heater surrounds the hot end. It can heat from 0 to 300 degree within 75 seconds. It can fully melt ABS, PETG, and other high-temp filaments on the fly. The durable steel-tipped copper nozzle is integrated with a titanium alloy heat break. LT blocks heat creep and can be swapped super easily. The auto calibration gets everything ready for you. No need to pull a paper or turn any leveling nuts. It can auto-level and auto-Z offset, which helps you save time in leveling process without any trouble. It will do the calibration, auto-Z offset and auto-leveling, and auto-input shaping test before you start to print. Easily start to print.